how to get data from the web into Power BI. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Last week, I started the new editions in 2023 after a 6 months break. And if you've not watched that video, go and watch it. I showed how to use a particular custom visual. It was a special edition. Today, we continue on the 5 minutes in Power BI, which we started somewhere last year. If you've not watched the 4 episodes also, go and start. Today, we are going to continue from there by looking at how to get data from the web into Power BI. There are so many instances that you need data from the web into Power BI to analyze. One instance is what Eureka BI did during the World Cup. Let me share our World Cup dashboard so as you can appreciate some of its use cases. If you've not gone through our World Cup dashboard, I'll put a link in the YouTube link below so that you'll be able to actually access our World Cup dashboard. It had a lot of traction, especially on Twitter. And I mean, we needed data from the web. That's one major use case from building dashboards. So let's look at the same dashboard. For instance, if you want to build this dashboard, how can you also build such a dashboard? Let's go. So getting the data from the web. So I want to get data about Carter 2022. So I search Carter 2022 Wikipedia. I'm just selecting Wikipedia so that it's easier for me to actually get what I'm looking for. So I click on the Wikipedia link to get the URL that I'm looking for. So that is one. But let's go to Power BI itself. To always get data into Power BI, you need to get data. And the web is one of the common data sources. So once you click on get data, you have web as one of the choices or one of the options that you can choose. So once you select web, there'll be a prompt for you to select to put in your URL. And because we had already gone through that, I'll just select my URL and then come and paste it here. So I click on OK. So what happens is that all the table-like things inside the URL would be generated inside my Power BI. And those who have already been following me, you know that in Power BI, there's the query editor for transformation and the Power BI itself for analysis. So what will happen is that all the tables in that URL would be displayed here. So I'll be taking you through one after the other. Then we'll select which ones we want to probably analyze on. So the same URL that you see there, let me go back to the web page. So you see the group page, the group stages are there. The prize money is there. So these are all table-like functions that Power BI would be able to extract into your query editor. So now we have 2022 FIFA World Cup. So you can select it for preview. I don't need this. Let's look at maybe group stages. I also do not need this, but maybe something like group B. So maybe if I'm analyzing or want to display group standings, something like this would be very useful. So let's say I select this, group B, and then from my last lessons, I told you that always transform data before you load. So to serve as a good teacher, I click on transform before I actually load it. And query editor will pop up. I would actually not do any transformations there. I just want you to see how the data from the web can actually be brought into Power BI. So whatever I had there has been translated into Power BI. Then I can close and apply, and then it comes into Power BI for analysis. So it's that easy. I mean, like 4 or 5 steps. All you need to do is to get the URL, go to Power BI Get Data. You click on the web option, you insert the URL into your Power BI prompt that you got, and then you get a list of tables that are inside the URL that you have actually copied and pasted. When you are done, you transform the data in Query Editor, and then you can load it into Power BI for analysis. So is that easy? Any website that you think that you can gain data from, you can easily go there and then actually copy the URL, and you are good to go. I hope this has also been very useful to you, and subscribe to our channel. This is brought to you by Eureka Business Intelligence. Next week, I'll come your way with other amazing content on Power BI. I hope to cover a lot this year every week. So see you same time next week. So my data set is here, and then I can start doing my analysis. It's bye from now.